So I've just done a wee spritz down of my board, cleaned down my knife, because we're moving from fruit to savoury. So the pasta is cooked, it's drained, and it's now, I'm going to let it go cold. Every time I've made tuna pasta salad, or I've tried to do a cold pasta salad, it just doesn't really go well. I'm going to have to, do I let the pasta go completely cold? What's the best way to do it? Because any time I've done it, it's been sticking, but I'm determined to get it right. So we're moving on. I've got 2 lettuce, a cucumber, only really need 1, I've got 2. Got some gherkins, love a gherkin. I've got a red onion. Now, you want to keep some red onion back for the pasta. And what I was going to do is I was going to put the seafood sauce in as my mayo, even though I do have mayo as well. I bought 2 of those. Did I only buy 1? I definitely bought 2. So I have washed the lettuce. I don't have a salad spinner. I'm just going to let it do its thing. Just washed it there, give it a good wee scrub. Taking off the outer leaves and the stalk. Stalk? Is it a stalk? I don't know. So yes, that is what I suppose I should just have this. So that is what we're going to do with our lettuce. I could have swore I bought 2 of those. They're so strange. So strange. Because I typically am the type of person that buys, as you can tell, 2 of everything. Why would I not buy 2 of those? That's very strange. I definitely did. Just hacking this as we do. So, just a little pat. We've got our, as I say, we've got our chicken in the oven. It's got some kind of a rub on it. Don't know. I just sort of went, that'll do. Down to £5 or £7 for the whole chicken. Does anybody ever do the whole chicken? And it's like how to make 5 meals or 10 meals from a whole chicken. Does anybody do that? I've tried it once. It was okay. So obviously did my roast. Dakota obviously gets some chicken. And then I just sort of had enough for like maybe a sandwich after. Is that Dakota's fault or my fault? I don't know. But see, my bowl is full of water. I should really maybe get a salad spoon. That's going a bit wrong. Why am I doing that? So yeah, I've done that once. It was okay. I can't honestly say that I found it value for money because I don't think I did. And I kept the bones and I did stock for soup. And I'm not even a soup person. I just did it for the sake of doing it. So yeah, I'm really into chicken for wraps and different bits and pieces like that. And then obviously a bit of salad. Right. Let's get this. Isn't it mad that we can grow all this like lettuce and stuff, but it's the sell by date or the best before is always like the next day? How can we not keep it going any longer? What's that about? But obviously my fridge is sub-zero. So is it colder? I don't know. Is that what that means? I don't know. So things keep longer.